Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Weak English. My dear friends, I know you are beginner, you are suffering so many obstacles during speech, during conversation, but I must today what I am going to say something about this point, you just attentively listen this thing, because you are suffering for this journey. I know you are so passionate, you are so interested for learning this language, but you don't know how can you start, how can you do practice for this thing so that you can achieve this thing. My dear friends, this is the problem for you. That's why I choose this topic for you. Actually, what you can do, because I am a creator. If I don't convince you about this matter, actually you may not be success in this regard. Actually, it's my duty. I must convince you about this matter. Actually, what you can do for this journey, then you can achieve anything else, whatever you want. My dear friends, don't worry. I know you are beginner, you are so passionate, you have so much interest for learning this language, but you are not able to do this for you. This is the problem for you. My dear friends, what you think in the negative way, first of all, you just kick out from your mind. You just think in a positive way. And what you think in a positive way, absolutely you must get that thing in one day. If you think in the negative way, absolutely what you get result for universe, actually that is not possible for you. That will be stopped in between that work. That's why I am telling you, you just think in the positive way. What you think, you just always activate your mind in positive way, and that positive sense must help you to grow in your life. Actually एक कहावत है, जो सोचोगे वो पाओगे. तुम अच्छा सोचना चाहिए. तुम हर बार नेगेटिव सोचते हो, वो हो नहीं पाएगा, वो डिफ़िकल्ट है. इस बात को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अवॉइड कीजिए, क्योंकि जो सोचोगे वही पाओगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग टू यू, व्हाट यू थिंक इन योर माइंड, यू जस्ट थिंक इन पॉजिटिव, एंड व्हाट यू स्प्रेड टू यूनिवर्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू मस्ट गेट दैट. Though you are suffering, though you are facing so many obstacles in your life, you just welcome that. If you don't see any failure in your life, actually you just want success. Actually that is not possible for you. You have to face in one day. You have to face such type of things. If you don't see any failure in your life, actually what you get result from universe, actually you may not be exist that for the long time. That's why I am telling to you, you have to face failure in your life, then you can grow in your life slowly and slowly. एक कहावत है, slow and steady wins the race. In this way you have to follow that. Slow and steady wins the race. आप जो चाहते हो वो सडन वो हो नहीं सकता है. आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, आपको इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. आपका पास, मानता हूँ आपका पास पैशन है, आपका पास स्किल है, लेकिन आपका पास पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. आपको हार्ड वर्किंग करना पड़ेगा. आप बिल्कुल ये सब नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ, आप पहले आपका जो माइंड को ठीक रखिए. यू हैव टू constrain your mind. Actually what you can do best for you, and you just follow that. If you irritate for these things, when, how you can get, actually that is not possible. That is, you may not be success in this journey. First of all, you have to keep patience if you want to get success in this regard, and you have to hard working for this thing. That doesn't mean see without hard work, without patience you can achieve this thing. Actually this is not possible for you and for anybody. I know you are so passionate, but you have to continue this thing until get success. If you have such type of things, after you must get success in one day. There is no doubt about it. First of all, you just believe on you and on God. If you keep it up for the long time, after you must get success in one day. My dear friends, you think that don't think in the negative way. You just think in positive way. And what you are going to do, you just continue that. You just practice in the perfect way. Then you can expect that to get a blessing from universe, to get achievement in your life. So this is the tips for you. Though I am a creator, my duty is that I must motivate you. That doesn't say I demotivated you for this regard. My duty is that I must motivate you for this journey. How can you become? How can you speak well in English? Though I am a creator, my duty is that I must motivate you in this regard. Actually, what you can do best for you, it's depend on you. Either you follow this trick, either you may not follow. It's depend on you. And you have to do this thing. What I am going to say, something in this regard. You have to follow this thing. Then you can expect that to get success in your life. If you think that you maybe get success at a time, at night, actually that is not possible. Because you have not so much knowledge. So how can it is possible for you? First you ask question to yourself. If you are not able to hard work in your life, so how can you get success in your life? First of all, you just practice more and more in the daily basis. Whatever you have knowledge. How can you practice? It's depend on you. Either you do it video, either you do it voice recording, either you do it imagination. It's depend on you. Either you do mirror exercise. Mirror exercise means just you look at that mirror and in front of that mirror you just say something about that. Whatever you do mistake in that speech, in between that speech, don't worry about that. You just practice that. When that practice makes you perfect, after you can speak without any stoppage. There is nobody. Imagine that. Actually, how can you learn this language and how can you speak like a fluent speaker? So this is the trick. First of all, you have to follow this trick. If you want to get growth in this regard, if you want to speak well in English, first of all, you have to follow this trick. Then you can expect that to do more for you. Otherwise, you can't do anything else for this thing. Friends, this is the motivation for you. I think you can understand it very well. If you analyze the thing, if you utilize the thing for you, after you must get success in your life. And whatever you want in your life, you must get in one day. Because when universe notice that you are hard labor for this thing, actually what do you want? After you must get that success, you must get that blessing from universe. But you are not able to. You are not utilize your mind. Actually, how can you do this thing? You just want a quickly success. Actually, what you want in your life, no, actually that is not possible. If you want such type of things in your life, that may not be success, that may not be activated for you. Because those are believe in hard working, after they must get success in one day. Because they know that they must get success in one day according to the hard working. That's why they are always hard working for that thing. Because their belief system always on God and on them. That's why they are getting success in their life. So that's all for them. And you have to do this thing like them. Those are now speaker. Those are always speaking English fluency. Actually, they have been hard labor for this thing. That's why they are speaking in this language. If you think that how can you become like them, first of all you have to practice like them. What they did in their life. And according to them, you have to do this thing like them. Then you can become a fluent speaker in your life. That's all for you. My dear friend, this is the tips for you. So thank you all the best.